What did you do?
I want to paint.
Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I want to paint blood.
Yeah, it's okay. It's
I want
okay.
to paint blood.
It's okay.
I want to paint blood.
You kiss mama. You kiss. You kiss. Okay, enough. Enough. Do not cry anymore. Mag-ask lang si mama. What did you do?
I want to paint blood.
You want a paintbrush? Because mama is busy. Because mama is so busy. Cellphone. She make use of her donut to paint in the mirror. Huh? This is what you do.
No, I want to paint blood.
Oh. You see?
Bluey, what did you do with the party invitation? I need the address. Oh, there it is.
The donut is in the mirror already. So good. So good. With a messy house.